Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will tell you why I pour sunflower oil into baking soda and what the resulting paste can be used for. Take a small container and pour 2 tablespoons of baking soda into it. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to the baking soda. I use sunflower oil, but olive oil, corn oil and flaxseed oil will do. In general, take any that you don't mind. You can even use expired oil. Now you need to mix everything well. Look at the paste you get. It reminds me a lot of body scrub, and yes, it really is a scrub, but only for cleaning. Now I'll tell you how to use it. Question: how to clean the oven between the glass? Probably every housewife asks. It seems like the oven is clean inside and everything is clean outside, but the glass is dirty. And all this grease between the glass. Well, now I will tell you about the paste and show you how to clean the oven between the glass. First, the oven door comes apart. I need to unscrew 2 screws and get the glass out. Depending on the oven model, the door can come apart in different ways. So, either read the instructions carefully or look for detailed instructions online. The tip will show a video in which I also disassemble the oven door, but it's a different model. Take a look, maybe it's yours. When disassembling, be sure to hold the door and glass well with your hands. Put your feet underneath. And it is best to put something soft on the floor. If you are afraid to disassemble the oven door like this, you can remove it. I showed how to do this step by step in a separate video. A link to it will now appear in the tooltip. I advise you to watch it. Well, I've already removed 1 glass. Now all of this can be cleaned well. The paste of baking soda and oil will have this consistency. Therefore, you can either spread it over the surface with your hand or with a sponge. Next, I will use this sponge scraper. It does not leave scratches and cleans very well. You can also use a regular sponge. Wet it with water and start cleaning. Baking soda and oil work great. All the stickiness and greasy splashes are very easy to clean off the surface. Look, my second glass is more spattered with grease. I do the same thing. A little paste, a damp sponge. A couple of minutes and the glass will be clean. You can't use this paste everywhere. You can easily use it to clean kitchen tiles. It may be all sticky, covered in greasy spots, and the paste will clean it all very quickly. You can also use this paste to clean kitchen fronts. Just be sure to test on an inconspicuous area to ensure the baking soda does not remove the finish. Since this paste is quite abrasive, it cannot be used to clean glossy kitchens and other surfaces that are easily scratched. And because of the oil, it is better not to use it to clean grout. Therefore, if you have large tiles in your kitchen, then you can easily clean them. But if the work area in the kitchen is laid out in small squares, then it is better to choose another cleaning method. Well, as you can see, this paste can easily clean the stove from grease. You can use it to clean the top of the stove, as I did to clean the side wall from grease, and clean the oven inside. After you have finished cleaning the grease, apply dish soap to the surface, rinse the sponge under water, and wipe the entire surface. This needs to be done to remove the oil and to prevent the surface from being sticky after cleaning. If you can't apply the detergent to the surface, then apply it to the sponge. Next, I rinse the glass under running water. If it is not possible to rinse under running water, for example, when you clean tiles or a stove, then you need to wipe the surface several times with a clean damp cloth. I didn't remove the oven door completely, so I put the glass back in place and put everything back together in reverse order. A paste of baking soda and oil can be a great replacement for household chemicals. No pungent smell, completely natural composition, and just look how perfect everything looks after cleaning. So I advise you to pour vegetable oil into baking soda and try the resulting paste for yourself. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's clean together. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.